Alright, so this is my second day off, and I'm going to continue working what I was working on the previous video. I got everything set up, I got all my tools inside, and yeah, I'm actually I'm ready to go. Batteries are inside. I did see in the Facebook group I'm a part of, Ryobi Rebels, that someone connected their... That's not... Oh, did I do that? I can't believe I broke that. Man. Well, I saw in the group, Ryobi Rebels, that someone connected their vacuum to their miter saw. So I'm going to actually see if this hose fits. And then if it fits, I'm actually going to bring the saw inside and use this to suck up the sawdust as I'm cutting. So that'll save me a lot of time if I don't have to walk out here. So let's see if this fits. It would be awesome if it does. Technically it goes on, but it's not a tight fit. It's not a tight seal. So I'm just gonna just cut out here. I'm just gonna cut outside. I will be needing that today though. I just don't need it now. Got the batteries. Just like that, we got power. That. Bingo. Sliding saw is good. Today, this gets the 3 amp hour. Alright, so what I did was pretty much forced it out just by pulling it up. Alright, so we got a clean piece. So what we're going to do is cut this little thing off. There we go. Grab. There we go. Now that is a good seam right there. That's not bad at all. See, what I try to do is keep that gray edge from the, so it doesn't look like it's just bare. So it looks sort of like this. $44.43 3/4. First, we gotta get rid of the slip. Keep some of that green in there. I took a tad bit too much off. Right now, I gotta get rid of this. Let's see what we got with that. That's good. There we go. Let's figure this piece out. You know, in a situation like this with that corner, what I do is I do some tests. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this to 45 degrees. I think that's the right way. And try it to the very edge and see what I got. This is a scrap piece that this is almost useless, but I want to see. Almost messed up. So let's see what I get from that. Alright, as you guys know, I am not an expert at all. I will not be able to measure this and get it exactly in one shot. Alright, so I'm going to need to do a little bit less. Or a little bit more. Let's do one more cut. That's worse. Alright, so I need to go to the max. Alright, I got it. Alright, cut number 3. And that is more like it. Alright, so we got the piece. Let's see. Yeah, oh, that's good. I know, Poppy. What's the matter? What's the matter, Poppy? You okay? You need to go outside? You need to go outside again? Let's go. Alright, so we are going to buzz right here off and then tack it, brad nail it back on later. We're going to save this, but I want to take care of this right here. It's okay, Poppy. That's not good. Is very old and brittle. To where it just breaks off like that. It should be good. Yes, sir. What's the matter, Poppy? I know. Go lay down, Poppy. Go on, Poppy. You can't be with me like this right now. I'm sorry. All right, we're right now I'm doing trial and error on this piece. All right, so let's see. That goes in just right. I know, Poppy, I know. Go on, go on. You want to be... Go on, Poppy. Alright, so this should be it. I know, Poppy. Alright. Alright, so after doing that, I think I did manage to get that, and I think that's far enough. This is the right size. Finally, I did cut that perfectly. I just cut triangles, kept on fixing it. I might have to shoot one brad nail in there so that doesn't move. Alright, so I got this piece that I'm going at the door frame. So I gotta cut this a tiny bit more. So this is too dangerous to hold it like that. So what I do, connect it to a piece, just a blade. Now that should be a good cut. So this goes right here. Okay, that'll fit perfectly. And take this and carefully tap it in. Now it should be the right size. Oop. There we go. I'll put a brad nail in that right now. I will need you. Do I have nails in there? I have a couple, but let's put a few in there just because. I don't have time to deal with that. There we go.
All right, let's put a couple nails in just this piece. Just two.